Hello friends, today we are going to see the exercise of what is history. Our first lesson is what is history, and today we will learn and today we will find the answers of all questions given in the exercise of uh, this lesson what is history. It is not necessary for you to buy a digest or a guide for EVS 2 question answers. You will get all answers of exercise in our textbook, and today I am giving you answers of these questions. Let us see exercise. While watching this video, you will open your textbook and take out your pencils and mark the answers in your textbook. This is page number 4 and this is exercises, and the question number 1 is fill in the blanks. I am telling answers you from textbook. Your textbook and my textbook is same. The science, fill in the blanks, the science that tries to understand past events is called dash. The answers of this question or this fill in the blanks we will find on the on the page number 2. You will get the answer of the first fill in the blanks question here. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Let us see next question. History is not written solely on the basis of dash. History is not written solely on the basis of dash. Let us see what is the answer of this question. History is not written only here. On page number 2, you will get this answer. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. Imagination is our answer. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. Uh, Let us back to exercise. Answer each question in one sentence or answer in one sentence. What is scientific method? What is scientific method? You will find the answer of this question. You will see this answer. What is scientific method on page number 3? On page number 3, there is an answer of what is scientific method. I have highlighted this. With the help of the evidence and that stands this test, past events are put in the proper sequence and a historical account is written. This is scientific method. What is scientific method? This is scientific method. With the help of the evidence that stand this test, past events are put in proper sequence and a historical account is written. This is the scientific method. Next question. Of which action is India's independence the result? Of which action is India's independence? How will get we how had we get independence from British government? You will find this answer on page number 3 and at the end of page number 3 and at the beginning of page number 4. Independence was a consequence of action. The Indian people struggle for independence. This is the answer. Next question. Next question. What is next question? What does the study of history make possible? What does the study of history make possible? Here is the answer of this question. On the page number 3, you will get this answer. Open your page number 3 and see the answer. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. This is the answer. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. And let us back to exercise. The question number 3 is answer the following questions in brief. And the first question is, why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Now, on which page we will get this answer? Why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Yes, this answer is in also our textbook, and we will get this answer on page number 2. Why history is considered to be a scientific discipline? From here to here, this is the answer. It is not possible to conduct experiment to recreate the events that have happened in the past. Therefore, the method of presenting history is different from that of other sciences. Even so, history uses the scientific method at every stage, namely while looking for and collecting evidence, examining the evidence, and while putting it together when required. Help is also taken from other sciences. That is why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. This is the answer of that question, why history is considered to be a scientific discipline. And the next question is, what is it that puts obstacles in the way of village development? Why what is it that puts obstacles in the way of village development? You will get this answer on page number 3. Here, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the way of its development. Let us see next question. Huh. The question number 4 is complete the concept chart. We can complete the chart easily. History, my own. History of a school. History of a district. History of state. History of river. History of country. You can write this here very easily. And the question number 5 is classify the sources of history using the chart given here. There are 3 types of sources of history: material sources, written sources, and oral sources. Okay, from these, coins are material sources, letters are written sources, forts are material sources, traditional songs are oral sources, pots are material sources, copper plates are written sources, old structures are material sources, stone inscriptions are written sources, folk songs are oral sources, pillars are material sources, biographies are written sources, rock cut caves are material sources, folk tales are oral sources. You can write or divide or classify in these 3 columns. Okay, this was the exercise of first lesson. We will see now we will see exercise of chapter 2 in next video. Thank you.